today is Wednesday, Pets Day. Kaya naman isa na naman cute na pet ang mga kasama natin ngayon. Ayan na siya. Yan ay si Kakatu at si Macau.
At upang malaman kung paano ba ang tamang pag-aalaga sa kanila, makakasama natin ang Kakatu and Macau owners na sina Gabriel Wong at si MC Kelly Joshua Ang. Good morning and welcome here sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Ito na, simulan na natin agad.
Kasi kanina pa sila gustong sumagot
Habang nag-i-intro tayo.
It's okay.
Oh, hi! So first, can you introduce what's their name? And Kakatu and Macau, are they different species? Am I correct?
They are both Macau po. And this one is the hyacinth and this one is blue and gold Macau po.
Noah. This one is Noah.
Noah. His name is Noah.
This one is Azula.
Azula. I love the colors. Blue and this one is like aqua. Oh, parang siya nagbabike. Alright, can you tell us about how you started taking care
Ikaw na lang
of
Nabisi
your
na ako
pets?
magpawak.
Gabriel,
Yeah.
can you tell us a story?
It's a
How
story.
you started?
I came to the Philippines and after pandemic, I just want to find something to stay with us. So I find first medium size African grey, and then we went to the zoo. We saw this beautiful creature, macaw. So when the chance came, I just took it.
Oh, yeah.
Ano ba sila? Paano ba yung tamang pag-aalaga ng ganitong klaseng mga ibon?
Yeah.
Kailangan lang po natin ng mga good diet po sa kanila, like yung mga veggies,
Kanya.
fruits.
Sweet.
Fruits and veggies lang usually, and seeds, nuts, almond nuts, ganun po.
So para sa mga nagda-diet, pwede mo silang isabay.
Pwede.
Paano-
So how they eat? Like 3 times a day then?
Minsan po 3 times a day, pero pag malaki na sila, usually 2 times lang bigay po namin.
2 times. So mahal ba or
Oo, kasi
magastos?
sa tao, kasi pag nagda-diet ka, sinasabi nila mahal kasi pipiliin mo yung pagkain. Pero pagdating ba sa kanila?
Yeah.
Medyo may kunting kamahalan din po kasi parang nag-alaga ka na rin po talaga ng bata. Kasi nuts, almond nuts, usually pakain.
Okay. Oh, I think it's very sweet.
Nakalagay doon to Sir God.
Ito, baby pa po ito.
Oh, it's so sweet. So,
Baby, ilang ano pa lang
yeah,
siya?
Around 6 months old.
6 months. How about
I mean, 4
Noah?
months pala, 4 months.
About Noah?
1 year and 4 months.
1 year and 4 months.
Are they related to each other?
No.
No.
Yeah, from now on maybe.
Okay. Gab, is it expensive to take care of this kind of pets? And how's your experience? And for the viewers who want to take care
Also,
same
this,
pets,
okay.
what's your advice? Or
I think it's not that. I think they're the same actually. The expense for daily expense for the food but you do need
how about the
spend.
maintenance? Do you like also go to vet for their
I
checkup?
don't think we take them to the vet.
Yeah, bihira po.
Hindi sila tulad ng aso or pusa na kailangan pag-groom.
Hindi po, mas less
Or
sensitive po
ligo?
sila eh.
Ganyan.
Paminsan lang.
Ba't mo naman
Cute! Ano kasi like pets, diba? Alright.
Minsan pinapakawalan sila. As in,
Opo,
free as in
nag-free fly po kami.
lumilipad.
Oh, where?
Fly. Sa,
Paabangan ko sila, diba?
Bumabalik naman sila. Marami
Opo,
silang
bumabalik
bumalik.
po sila.
Oh, how did you train them?
From baby to adult po, kami po yung nagpapalaki since baby pa sila. Tapos, ayan po, tatawagin po namin sila from the perch, tapos lilipad sa amin, hanggang sa pwede na namin ibat.
Super kulit. Ang cute. Pero,
Yan ba yung way nila sa paglalambing sa...
Opo, parang
Pag kilala ka
ganun po.
na nila, ganyan.
Opo.
pero
Hindi
hindi
ba
ba
sakit?
sakit? Oo.
Sa ngayon, hindi pa po.
Ito pero medyo sharp yung kanya eh. Yung kay Noah, masyadong sharp yung... What you call that, Beck? Ba?
This,
Opo,
Oo,
the beak.
yeah. Ayan, medyo sharp. So, hindi siya nagkikiyas. Pero I'm curious lang, how much yung range kapag gusto mong kumuha ng ganito?
like this one.
Yeah, this is the most expensive. It's around 1.2
Oh my God.
Oh,
Really?
okay. It's really expensive.
this year. Yeah, new
This
price.
year.
Kahit pag sobrang maliit pa siya,
Opo.
ganun siya bakit mahal siya?
Sobrang rare po kasi ng ganito, and sila po yung largest kind of macaw. Bihirang-bihira po siya.
Yeah, actually, it's really beautiful. I love the color blue.
Parang sa
And this
dalawa
one
maganda
yellow
eh.
and aqua.
May yellow naman ito.
Pero parang mas malambing si, anong pa?
Ayan yung may video
This one is
naliligo
Azula,
sila.
the Blue and Gold Macau po.
Okay.
And mas mura po siya.
Okay. Gab, do you have any message or advice to the viewers, to those who wanted to own also Macau?
Just get it.
Just get
Just get it. If you have money,
Have the
right?
money
Yeah,
and
of course.
get it.
Oh, and also you need time. You need a lot of time. For example, wake up.
Patience.
Yes, we need to train them and take them to fly because they're birds. They need to fly. Just like
Yes.
people needs to walk, need to run. They need to fly.
And
I understand, meron pa kayong ibang dalang pets? Pwede ba
Ay,
may
actually,
pakita yung
meron
ibang
pa.
pets na dala
On po
nila?
sila.
yeah.
want to get the-
Kasi sila
Yeah.
yung, hindi, sila no,
Yeah,
magano.
yeah, we can get.
Okay,
Ah,
okay.
okay.
Oo.
Okay na sila later. Alright. How about you, Joshua? Any message or advice sa mga gusto rin mag-alaga nitong mga same species na birds?
Well, sa mga gusto po mag-alaga, hindi po makahanap kasi sobrang rare po nila eh. They can message me sa aking Facebook account, Mac Kelly Ang, para po ma-provide ko po yung hanap po nilang parrots din po if
Oh,
ever.
ayan.
yung
So, do you
parrot.
also like breed?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ayun, ayan. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin at pagpapakilala sa inyong mga cute na mga alaga ngayong umaga. Oo, marami tayong natutunan.
Yeah, so nice. Thank you.
Thank
you.
Gab
Thank
and
you.
Joshua.
Thank you po.